Honestly, as a content creator, di mo alam kailan darating yung pera. You're in fear, you're in doubt, you're in worry. Automatic, hindi ka makakapag-manifest. Money is constantly being thrown into my bank account. If you're still not getting whatever you want, stay grateful. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yani, I'm your financial coach, and today is a special day kasi pag-uusapan ko na finally one of the most requested topics from me. Feeling ko more people want to know more about it. As you can see in the title, the 4 steps to manifest anything in your life. If you want to manifest more money, pwede nyo rin tong i-apply. And you know what? I'm so passionate about this. I'm so excited about this kasi recently, I went to Discovery Samal. So binook ko yung Discovery Samal, yung cheap na room, and minanifest ko pa paano ko ma-upgrade into an even bigger and an even better room. And at the same time, this week lang, I changed my wallpaper. Later papakita ko sa inyo. Honestly, halos everyday ata ako may payout ng kung ano-ano. So, ito na nga, share ko na sa inyo kung paano ko ba yan ginagawa. Because I want you guys to really understand the power that you have if you understand this. Like, kung naiintindihan mo talaga how to manifest anything and that you are capable of manifesting anything in your life, mapapadali ang life natin. And alam ko, madami kasing negative connotation about manifestation lately, especially online, like mga Christians, ang dami nagsasabi na wag daw maniwala sa manifestation. But basically, manifestation only means seeing what you want in reality. Yun lang. So, one of the things that I really learned about manifestation lately is tuning in with your higher self. Diba, yung sa TikTok sinasabi nila si higher self tsaka si lower self, nanalo daw si lower self. Si higher self talaga natin is a different version of us that is so much better. Pwedeng better in lifestyle, better in terms of money, better in terms of relationships. Basta si higher self yung mas nakakaangat-angat sa atin. Parang ganon. So si higher self, all you have to do is to really tune in with that version of you. And pag nag-tune in ka doon, para siyang radio station na nagmamatch yung frequency ng higher self mo at saka frequency ng current version of you. Pag nag-match yun, that's when you hit manifestation button. That's when you can finally get whatever your higher self wants for you or whatever your higher self currently is. But of course, how do you actually tap into your higher self? So ito yung 4 steps on how you can manifest anything in your life. Let's start with the first one, okay? The first one is to really ask. Huh? Magtatanong lang? Oo. Hindi ka magtatanong but magre-request ka. So, I always tell this in my talks, in my vision board class, that it's really important to order your request. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka clear sa gusto mong makuha. And I always say this also in the channel, in my TikToks, and even in my podcast, that you have to always ask. Lagi ka maghihingi, magtatanong. Bakit? Kasi pag nang hingi ka, para kang nag-order sa Starbucks na, alam mo yun, piniplace mo yung order. Yan, diba? So, kailangan mong i-place yung order. And some people, they don't get to manifest a lot of things because unang-una, hindi naman sila nagre-request, hindi naman sila nag-order. Ano sinasabi? No? For example, gusto mo naman talaga deep down inside of you na gusto mo naman talagang mag-generate ng higher income. Gusto mong mas makapag-provide sa family mo. Pero nauunahan ka ng what? Wag na lang, okay lang naman simpleng buhay. Okay lang naman ako sa meron ako. And dun pa lang, napipigilan ka na agad mag-request. So, the first step is to really ask intentionally. And the way you ask is to really reflect, what do you really want in your life? Gaano mo ba to kagusto? And ano ba talaga yung gusto mo na bagay? Kasi a lot of people, they just say anything in general. Like for example, I want to be rich, period. What is it about being rich that you want? You want freedom, time freedom, financial freedom, stress-free life. I don't know. And it can be different for all of us. So you have to ask clearly and you have to know what you want. As if you're ordering from Starbucks nga, diba? Na alam mo talaga, white chocolate mocha, grande, 2 pumps, oat milk, hot. And when I was in Discovery Samal, even before coming to Discovery Samal, sabi kay Alec na sana ma-upgrade tayo, sana ma-upgrade tayo, sana ma-upgrade tayo. Paulit-ulit. Hanggang dun sa reception, sinabi ko talaga na, Miss, upgrade mo na lang ako. Ganon. As in, pinaparinig ko kay universe na, uy, I want an upgrade. So that's what I ask. Step 2 in manifestation is taking inspired action. A lot of people think that, hindi ko na manifest, pinag-pray ko nga, di naman dumating, hindi naman binigay. But I think most of the chunk of really manifesting is taking inspired action. Inspired action, it's all about moving your body towards what you want. Yung pagpunta ko sa receptionist para sabihin na, Miss, upgrade mo naman kami. That's inspired action. I was so sleepy at that time, pero sabi ko, puntahan ko lang, tanungin ko lang, why not? Email ko din si Discovery Samal. Why not, 'di ba? Why not ask and take that extra step to email, to go to that receptionist, to talk to that person, etc. Same with life. A lot of people I know, parang mas less sila makapag-manifest because yung action nila is coming from giggle, coming from desperation, coming from need. And sabi nga ni Joe Dispenza, 'di ba, needing nothing attracts everything. So if you don't have the need, yung parang kailangan ko kasing gawin to para may makain yung pamilya ko. So what tends to happen, yung energy mo sobrang baba. Hindi ka inspired magtrabaho. Instead of excited ka lang, happy ka lang magtrabaho, that's when you manifest higher. So it's all about taking inspired action. And if hindi ka inspired sa ginagawa mo, then maybe what you're asking is not something that you really want. Baka nagsisettle ka to something less, na feeling mo hanggang dun lang yung kaya mong makuha, or hindi ka pa clear kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Kasi promise ko sa inyo, like if clear ka sa gusto mo, you will automatically take inspired action towards that dream, towards that goal. Inspired action is also about doing whatever it takes, doing everything in your power to be able to get something that you want, if you really want it that bad. Step 3 is all about surrendering. Surrendering here is maniniwala ka na para sa'yo naman talaga yon, except maybe hindi pa binigay sa'yo. Dito na sa trap yung ibang tao because nag-ask sila, nag-take sila ng inspired action. Pagdating sa pag-aantay, nawalan sila ng patience. Naging desperate sila. Naging malungkot sila mag-antay. Bakit ang tagal naman, Lord? Diba? Ba't di mo pa binibigay agad? Yung mga ganyan. Surrendering here is parang nag-order ka sa Starbucks. Pumunta ka, nag-order ka, and antayin mo lang yung drink mo. Hindi ka naman pwedeng, andyan na ba? Andyan na ba? Andyan na ba yung drink ko? Miss, andyan na ba? Kaka-order mo lang, diba? Andyan na ba? Ano ba? Ganyan. Hindi. You have to just wait and know that whatever is for you will come and will be delivered kasi hiningi mo naman talaga. Parang, for example, nalaman mong buntis yung kapatid mo or yung friend mo. 2 months pa lang siyang buntis, di mo naman siya pwedeng tanongin everyday, manganganak ka na ba? Manganganak ka na ba? Diba? You just know that at the 9th month, hindi mo sure what day, hindi mo sure anong week, pero alam mo lang manganganak siya. Same with whatever you want in life. You have to learn how to surrender. Like, trust that it will come to you no matter what. Kasi hiningi mo, nag-take ka na inspired action, and it will come no matter what. The last step to manifestation is step 4, which is stay grateful. Parang ang dali, 'di ba? Parang ang dali sabihin na basta maging grateful ka lang, makukuha mo whatever you want. Ito yung medyo nagsastruggle ako personally before. Syempre may giggle ka to get whatever you want. I would work for how many hours, ang dami kong sideline, ang dami kong side hustles to get my first million. Parang gigil na gigil talaga ako. But I was so tired. Naalala ko nun, uwi ako 12 midnight, alis na ulit ako ng 5. To that level, like OA talaga yung level of commitment ko to get what I want. But I forgot to stay grateful, to be happy. So I ended up tired. I ended up chasing for something that doesn't want me back. Parang ganun. So staying grateful, I'll insert here a vibrational chart. This vibrational chart is basically your levels of energy, no? So sabi dyan sa pinakababa is that there's shame, guilt, fear, worry. Yan yung pinakamababang energy that you can step on. Like for example, you're in fear, you're in doubt, you're in worry. Automatic, hindi ka makakapag-manifest. And doon sa tuktok, doon sa pinakataas, is all about joy, enlightenment, happiness, gratitude. Very important gratitude because pag nandun ka, yung energy mo mataas, mas mabilis siyang mag-tune in doon sa higher self mo. Doon sa gusto ng universe ibigay sa'yo. Parang ganito. So if you're coming from guilt, shame, worry, fear, automatic, trust me, mas mahirapan ka mag-manifest, mas hindi ka makakapag-manifest. For example, nag-break kayo ng partner mo. Tapos ikaw, syempre, nandun ka pa sa stress, guilt, shame, worry, fear, anger about your ex. Syempre, mas hindi mo maa-attract yung the one for you. Kasi negative energies attract negative energy. So kung negative energy ka lang din, ganun lang din yung makukuha mo and maa-attract mo mga tao sa life mo. Hindi mo maa-attract yung the one, diba? Pero kapag masaya yung energy mo, ang saya mo, no matter what, grateful ka parate, you're in joy, you're at peace, you will automatically, alam mo yun, parang attracting yung energy niya. Alam mo yung mga ganyang tao? Because it's really what they're tuning into at that moment. If you're still not getting whatever you want, stay grateful, stay joyful, stay enlightened, be excited. Kaya lagi nyo makikita sa akin, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Lagi kong sinasabihan yung sarili ko at yung higher self ko na excited ako kasi alam kong paparating na kahit wala pa man. Kunwari sa Discovery Samal, after ko nagsabi sa receptionist na pa-upgrade, wala daw. Sabi nila fully booked. Okay, sige, okay lang. Tapos kumain muna kami kahit antok na ako noon. But I was excited, I was happy, I was celebrating that I was in Samal, I was in Discovery, I was paying for my hotel. And then, after namin kumain, pagpunta ko sa receptionist, ang sabi ng receptionist sa akin, "Ma'am, aware ba kayo na na-upgrade po kayo for free?" Tapos parang ako, sabi ko kay Alec, dapat lang kasi kanina ko pa hinihingi. And hindi ko siya hiningi lang sa receptionist, hiningi ko siya sa universe na, uy, gusto kong ma-upgrade kasi magko-content ako, bigyan mo naman ako ng upgrade. But I was also very excited to know that my manifestation tricks work. Tinry ko talaga siya and gumana siya. And then recently, ito na nga. Since I wanna stay grateful, I wanna stay excited, happy, I changed my wallpaper. Tapos alam nyo, Friday ngayon, which is sweldo day by the way. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, may pumasok sa akin na pera. Ever since ginawa ko to na wallpaper. Did I ask for it? Yes. Sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko na maraming pera. Gusto ko mag-ipon, diba? I've been taking inspired actions the past months. I surrendered. Honestly, as a content creator, di mo alam kailan darating yung pera. Di mo alam kung kailan magbabayad yung kliyente. Di mo nga sure kung magbabayad yung kliyente. Marami pa rin ako mga clients, brands na unpaid for something that I worked for. Pero sabi ko lang, darating, diba? Tapos nagulat na lang ako na may mga brands na pumasok for some reason. Overbooked kami this week. Kahapon, may rent. Today, Friday, may rental. Tomorrow, on Sunday, meron kaming rental. And then may pumunta pa for April. We're like overbooked. What does that mean? Money is constantly being thrown into my bank account. Because what? I stayed excited even if wala pang bayad yung client. Get inspired creating contents for them. At the same time, I'm just excited with life every day. Tapos ngayon, na-realize ko, sweldo. May commission, diba? It's a great day. If you're struggling to manifest anything in your life, maybe, hopefully, itong 4 na steps na to, if I can just elaborate it more. In my vision board class, I actually elaborated. Hopefully, makapag-open ako ng isa pang class soon. But if you want it in your team, in your company, in your family, I can even host it. You can just message me on IG if you want that kasi lahat yan tuturo ko and I will help you ask clearly and more intentionally through vision board. You can research more on manifestation. Marami namang materials on YouTube University but hopefully ito gumana to and ma-apply mo sa life mo. And pag na-apply mo, may na-manifest ka, let me know. Message me. I'll be very happy to share the joy and happiness and excitement to you pag na-manifest mo yan. Like, happy talaga ako whenever people message me na grabe ginamit ko yan, na-manifest ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko. So, yon. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Ask me anything pala sa comments.